Hello guys, welcome back on our technology welfare. I'm a highly increased tutorial to tell you in this tutorial how to find out, how to recognize or how to identify or detect solder zone or cells region of any iPhone's device. This is very important things to know, especially about any iPhone's cells regions. Why I'm telling you, because when or the while by passing iCloud activation locked links from any iPhone's device, we have to create of your PC address of similar zone. That's where your iPhone was especially purchased or sold first times. So if I tap on the setting to know especially I'm sold zone, after just to see especially tapping on setting to tap on about to especially we will have to become the general, and general there is nothing especially show, so we are unable to especially find out manually especially sold zone of this device. So if you would like to know especially on sold zones, why I'm telling you, because this is very important thing. So because when we try to the first crash analysis data on any iPhone's device with the help of data cable, and you would like to delete, yes, this data is not going to sometimes proper fast. So in that condition, of course, if you created the similar especially solder zone IP address especially or especially of your computer system internet connection, then of course it will be very easy to fetch the proper especially crash analysis data spontaneously. This is also very important things that while we try to the batch activation or deactivation of iDevice especially at that condition also especially it's not going to sometimes it works the proper way, it give you errors in that condition also. This is very important things to know especially solder so that we can iterate. So see, just we will connect a data cable guys, and we will go for an as administrator 3U tools. In 3U tool you will have to connect especially from your iPhone's device to especially PC. Now as we see especially here we will have to become the smart flash. We have to click 2-3 times, that is especially the refresh options, and after having this especially you will have to click on a iDevice. In iDevice especially you will have to go for especially cells region. Here is a see we have the given opportunity especially, yes, we have the given opportunity to elect especially 4 cells region. That is firstly Hong Kong, second is Macau, third is especially Singapore, and the fourth one is Malaysia. So out of 4, any one especially try to the left hand create PC similar solder zone internet connections address, and upon you know how do you especially create this kind of this especially similar IP address. Yes, by using especially virtual private networks. So try to the use of there, and then of course you will be able to fetch the proper crash analysis data. You will be able to delete the proper way spontaneously. Also you will be able to yes switch batch activations as well as especially iDevice deactivation. So this is all about in this video tutorial. The further any inquiry of course, and try to especially raise the comment below the comment box, and the pleasure would be mine to your reply. And if you found it informative and knowledgeable, then please don't forget hit the like and subscribe and share of this content, because it may be beneficial who is highly specialized to have this kind of the information guys, by free of course from YouTube channel. So this is all about. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.